Taking care of your health through good food is one of the most powerful ways to support your body's long-term well-being. Nutritious meals provide the essential vitamins, minerals, and energy your cells need to function properly, helping your immune system stay strong, your organs work efficiently, and your mind remain clear and focused. Eating a balanced diet rich in whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats reduces the risk of chronic illnesses such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Food is not just fuel, it's a foundational part of how your body repairs itself, fights off infection, and maintains stable energy throughout the day. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss more health tips, recipes, and practical guides to keep you feeling your best. Your support helps bring more content just like this. Stick around until the end of the video because I'll be sharing a few powerful, extra immune-boosting ingredients you can add to your chicken soup to take its healing potential even further. You won't want to miss these simple upgrades that can make a big difference when you're fighting off illness. Beyond physical health, nourishing yourself with good food also supports emotional and mental wellness. Stable blood sugar, adequate nutrients, and regular meals help regulate mood and reduce stress, while the act of preparing and enjoying healthy meals can create routines that foster a sense of care and balance in daily life. Making thoughtful food choices is a form of self-respect, an investment in your future health that pays off in improved energy, better resilience, and a stronger foundation for living the life you want. When you neglect your own health, whether through poor nutrition, lack of rest, or unhealthy lifestyle habits, you weaken the natural defenses your body relies on to keep harmful microbes in check. Without adequate nutrients, the immune system can't produce enough antibodies, immune cells, or protective barriers to fight off bacteria and viruses effectively. Over time, this creates openings for infections to take hold more easily and become more severe. Relying on others can't replace the fundamental resilience that comes from caring for your own body. Good food fuels immune function, regular sleep restores it, and healthy habits keep inflammation and stress in balance. When these foundations are missing, your body becomes far more vulnerable to illnesses that a well-supported immune system could often prevent or overcome more quickly. If the first signs of a cold aren't managed properly, the infection can sometimes progress into more serious illnesses, like bronchitis or pneumonia, especially in people with weakened immune systems or underlying conditions. Early symptoms, such as congestion, sore throat, or mild cough, usually indicate a viral infection confined to the upper respiratory tract. But if the body is stressed, dehydrated, or not supported with rest and good nutrition, the virus can spread deeper into the lungs or create conditions that allow bacteria to take advantage of weakened defenses. This can lead to inflammation of the bronchi, bronchitis, or infection of the lung tissue itself, pneumonia. While most colds remain mild, paying attention to early symptoms and taking steps to support recovery reduces the chance that a simple viral illness escalates into something more serious. This is where chicken soup can help, offering gentle but meaningful support when a cold first appears. Its warmth soothes the throat and helps open nasal passages, while the steam and hydration thin mucus and make it easier for the body to clear the airways before congestion worsens. The nutrients released from chicken and vegetables provide the immune system with the building blocks it needs to respond effectively, and the soup's natural anti-inflammatory properties can help calm irritated respiratory tissues. By supporting hydration, easing symptoms, and giving the body nourishing fuel early on, chicken soup can play a small but helpful role in preventing a mild cold from becoming a deeper, more complicated infection. Chicken soup supports respiratory health because each ingredient contributes specific benefits that help the body fight infection and manage symptoms. Chicken provides amino acids like cysteine that thin mucus, along with protein and minerals that strengthen immune cells. The warm broth keeps the airways hydrated, loosens congestion, and delivers soothing gelatin and electrolytes. Aromatic vegetables such as onions and garlic add powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial compounds like quercetin and allicin, which can help calm irritated tissues and support the body's defense against microbes. Carrots and celery supply antioxidants and vitamin A precursors that keep the lining of the nose, throat, and lungs healthy, while herbs like parsley contribute vitamin C to boost immunity. Ingredients such as ginger or turmeric, if included, offer additional anti-inflammatory effects, and simple carbohydrates like noodles or rice provide energy that the body needs during illness. Together, these components create a nourishing, hydrating, and therapeutic meal that gently supports the respiratory system when it's under stress. You can boost the anti-inflammatory and decongestant effects of chicken soup by incorporating a few strategic ingredients and techniques. Adding turmeric with a pinch of black pepper enhances the soup's anti-inflammatory power, while fresh ginger brings soothing compounds that calm irritated airways. Plenty of onions and garlic contribute antioxidants that support immune activity, and finishing the soup with fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro adds vitamin C and other phytonutrients. Using bone-in chicken and allowing it to simmer longer releases collagen and gelatin that help soothe inflamed tissues. For stronger decongestant benefits, include a small amount of chili pepper or cayenne to open nasal passages, and season with herbs like thyme, oregano, or rosemary, which contain aromatic oils that naturally support easier breathing. A splash of lemon helps break down mucus, and serving the soup very warm with a thinner broth for extra hydration further loosens congestion and supports clearer airflow. Before we wrap up, if you want all of these healing tips in one place, including the ingredient breakdown, the anti-inflammatory boosters, and my full chicken soup recipe, make sure to grab the free PDF. The link is right below in the description. Just pop in your email and I'll send it straight to your inbox. It's a really helpful resource to keep on hand the next time you or someone in your family starts feeling under the weather. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss more health tips, recipes, and practical guides to keep you feeling your best. Your support helps bring more content just like this. Until the next time.